Hello and welcome to Activate the Goddess. 15 ways to make your man commit. Before we get into it, be sure to grab your free copy of How to Get a Man to Love You in the link in the description below. Now, let's talk about some commitment building tactics. Number 1. Be decisive, commit to a decision. Everyone has their indecisive moments, but this type of behavior can be draining. If you're the type of woman who relies on her man to choose everything, from where to go for dinner to what to wear on New Year's Eve, then he's going to either get bored of your indecisiveness or become annoyed by it. Whether you're playing hard to get in the wrong way or simply unable to pick a movie to watch, this is one of the top reasons that men lose interest. As much as guys like to be in control, they have different interests than women, and the last thing they want to do is answer to all your girly decisions. Instead, have opinions of your own, make decisions and express yourself. After all, your man fell for you, so show him how strong and independent you are. Number 2. Be open to sex, important. Believe it or not, a common confession from men is that they feel their woman is withholding or selfish with sex. Don't panic, just consider your situation and give the areas lacking attention some TLC. If you want him to commit, it's important to be open to his sexual needs and willing to explore his desires. It's not uncommon for couples to have different sex drives, but it's important to compromise so that one partner isn't feeling neglected in particular areas. Number 3. Drop the drama. This is very important. Stereotypes aside, women have a greater tendency to be dramatic over the little things, which is why it's important to learn how to control your anger so you won't sweat the small stuff. Whether your man is late getting home from work or leaves his dirty socks on the bathroom floor, calmly address problems as they arise, rather than throwing a fit of rage. This doesn't just speak to your relationship, but your life as a whole. Dig deep and get grounded, practice calmness, kindness, and patience. Men admire a woman that they can relax around. Number 4. Be playful. There's nothing men love more than to be able to laugh and joke around with their partner. Besides, who doesn't love a good laugh? No matter how stressful your day job may be or how many errands you have to run in one day, always make time to be playful with one another. Tease your man, wrestle him, and let your guard down. Sharing this kind of vulnerability with your partner is not only a great way to connect on a deeper level, but it'll also make your man realize how lucky he is to have a friend in you. Do you often find yourself stuck with men who refuse to commit, no matter how hard you try? Watch this free how-to video presentation in the link in the description below. Number 5. Don't obsess over your looks. A major misconception is that your man expects you to look like an airbrushed magazine model. He doesn't. In fact, most men find it unattractive when their lady spends too much time obsessing about her looks and caking on the makeup. You also shouldn't complain to him about how you wish you were 10 pounds lighter or 2 inches taller, and don't compare yourself to other women. It can be tough at times, but do your best to master your insecurities and just be you, the beautiful soul he fell for. If there are parts of your body that you would like to improve, then do it for yourself, and properly. Fad diets, obsessive workouts, and fishing for compliments is no way to get his attention. Simply be confident in who you are and how you look. It's one of the most attractive traits you can possess. Number 6. Trust him, very important. If you feel like you're constantly playing detective or checking in on your man every few hours, then chances are you have some trust issues. In order to be in a happy, committed relationship, it's crucial that your man knows you trust him. And remember, actions speak louder than words. No guy wants to tie himself down to someone who's going to harass them about his whereabouts or the company he keeps. Instead, know that he wants to be with you and move on happily together. If your man gives you a reason to not trust him, then confront him about it and, if need be, cut him loose. There's no point in wasting your time on a relationship that lacks trust. But unless he proves otherwise, your man should be a person you love and trust, and he should know it. Number 6. Love unconditionally. Through thick and thin, good times and bad, you must love your man if you want him to commit to you. Just think, why would anyone want to share their life with someone who loves them based on a set of limitations? Every relationship experiences its highs and lows, but it's during the low phases that your love shines brightest. Even if your man spills red wine on the carpet, bleaches your favorite shirt, or has won too many shots at the bar, your love should continue to radiate, unconditionally. Do you see yourself using this to improve your love life? Then grab your free copy, absolutely free, of our dating guide, How to Get a Man to Love You, in the description below. Also, if you like this type of content, please leave a like and click on subscribe to discover the real reasons why men lose interest and what men really want from women. Just follow the first link below to become a woman he craves. Thanks for watching.